Today was Tuesday, and let's do market review for today. Let me first do one thing. Today, start. First, I will do my standard model review, and then I will do my inversion model review. What you can see, overnight market took out this all-time high, and there was a SMT. After taking out this all-time high, we have a bearish 30-minute dealing range. Here, CSID was confirmed, so it was a valid uh, dealing range, 30-minute dealing range. Market retraced back all the way up into premium and then it sold off. And then it sold off. While going up, market generate engineered liquidity in the form of equal loads. So it was a great trade. But here, what we can see, market has traded a lot higher. It has traded very close to this high. So I did not took out this trade. And then in the PM session, in the AM session, market again formed a new dealing range. We can see clean dealing range. It retraced all the way up into into this 30-minute fair value gap, took out internal high, and then continue to trade lower. Now let's go on lower time frame. Here, what we can see. Here, I do not participated in this trade because market has traded very close to it. I was expecting rejection from here. Like I was expecting market to form my model after taking out this internal high and then continue to trade lower. But since it has traded very close to it, I did not took out this trade. And in the PM session, these markings are for inversion fair value gap models. So I will discuss it in some times. Let's look this trade idea. Market retrace all the way up into premium here. Okay, market for my model, but I was I was waiting for my model to form. I was waiting for entry to enter. My hand was on my button, but there was a problem here. What was the problem? After market took out this high, I was waiting for candle validation, breaker validation. Market did not validate the breaker on this candle, neither on this candle. And when it validated it, it was a very large break candle. So since my TP was here, I was not allowed to enter directly from here. I was waiting for retracement, but market never retraced and it reached all the way down into here. So on the basis of NQ, I reached out this trade. But there is a catch here. There is something interesting here. When we look on ES had not taken out this high, so there was a SMT, and and ES has validated this breaker here on this candle. NQ has not validated, but ES has validated. So I could have entered on ES. I was waiting for NQ validation. I was I was I looked at this validation in real time, but I avoided the entry. I thought I will wait for NQ validation and then I will enter. And it does not give me any entry opportunity. It it completely sold off and reaching all of my targets and then below equal lows. Now the learning point from here is this: trade idea was valid. Trade idea was valid. It was A plus model because origin of dealing range is from from fair value gap. Okay, so trade idea was valid. Market retraced back into premium. It took out internal high since there was a SMT. There was higher time frame SMT. Here we do not have lower time frame SMT. Okay, now going forward, I will enter. Let's say trade idea is valid. Market has taken out internal high or induced high, and then it has validated the breaker. Let's say NQ has validated the breaker, but ES has not. In that scenario, I will took out the trade on NQ. It's very simple. And if let's say ES has validated the breaker, but NQ has not, I will still enter on ES validation. The simple rule is this: the instrument that validated the breaker first, I will enter on that. I will not wait for other instrument to validate the breaker too. The rule is simple. The instrument that validated the breaker, I will enter on that instrument first. No hesitation, no. Yeah. If in this same scenario, if it was a reverse scenario where ES has not validated, but NQ has validated, then I'm so percent and then I'm 100% sure that I will have entered in this trade. Here I was confused, I hesitated, and waited for NQ validation, and it simply ripped through. And I have observed multiple times that when ES validated the breaker and NQ is a little lagging, it expand very hard. We can see it expand very hard. So going forward, as a rule, I will enter on the instrument that validated the breaker first. This is the rule. This is all for my standard model. Now I want to talk something about my psychology. I was feeling very upset today. Why? Because I was waiting for my model to form for more than 2 weeks. Previous week I did not find any trade entry, and this week on Monday there was no trade opportunity, and on Tuesday when market presented me the model, I missed it. So I was feeling very sad, very upset. But it's okay. It's okay. It was because of hesitation I missed out this trade. Going forward, I will not miss. This was a great trade. It has achieved all the targets. It was a, like 7 RR trade, 9 RR trade. It was awesome trade. But it's okay. I can't reverse the past. Going forward, I will keep this in mind, and I have made the rules to so that I did not make this type of mistake in future. Now let's talk about our inversion model. Today, market has presented multiple inversion model. First model was here. This was 2 minute inversion. Momentum was good, similar fair value gaps. Only the time spent was very high, so it was A setup. And we have clean highs. This was our DOL, and then this clean high. This was our DOL. This was first trade. Second trade was this. Market took out this high inside this 5 minute fair value gap, and there was SMT. Yes, I took out this trade because there was a confluence of SMT and a high sweep. We have lower time frame V-shape reversal, good momentum, strong momentum, so I took it out. And we have these equal lows that was acting as a DOL. Break even was here, TP1 was here, and TP2 was here. Second and third trade was this. Market traded into this 5 minute fair value gap, and there and here market respected the 50-minute. Market respected this level. Let me mark it out. 50, what we say, 50% of daily range. Liquidity sweep traded into 5 minute fair value gap, 50% of daily range, and momentum was good. So I entered here. And the moment market traded above this high, I was break even. It stopped me out here. and we can see this was a loss. If I would have not done break even, it was a loss. But rule says I must be break even after market traded above this high. So break even saved me here. After that, market sold up completely. Here again, market presented a model here. Market retraced back into it. 50% of daily range respected it. V-shape reversal, good momentum, similar fair value of I entered, break even, TP1, TP2 hit. This was wonderful trade, A plus setup. And talking about these two trades, this was very poor trade. I took out on the basis of this sweep, but it was very poor trade. So leave it. And then this was our standard model. So this is all for today. Now, uh, again, I want to talk about my psychological factor. I missed out this trade and I was feeling very upset. I basically do not want to confront it. I do not want to confront my mistake, but I'm grateful that I am doing it now and talking to myself. I missed out this trade, and ideally, I should have not missed out this trade. Going forward, the rule I have made is this: I will enter on the trade. I will enter on the instrument that validated the breaker first. If NQ has validated the breaker first, then I will enter on NQ. If ES has validated the breaker first, then I will enter on ES. This is all. This is all for today.